Alright, let's call this up. I guess I'll start from the back end of the front end. So we'll put these pieces here first. So we want all of them colored wires to go together into that plug right there. And they go like this. Like that. Good and snug. And then this goes into that. Like this. It goes into that. Goes in there good and snug. And then this goes into this. Like that. And that goes into the radio, which has an antenna plug on this side. So I'll put this into here first. This goes in like this, into that. And then this goes into that. And all of this goes in up here. I get all these wires and tuck them back in here. Oops, upside down. So, I wonder which one's the on button. I'm not familiar with this radio. Well, we'll start hitting buttons till something happens. Takes that off. Oh, I might have to turn the key on. Oh, something's happening. Got a CD in it. Life in cartoon motion. Oh my God, that must be something that belonged to somebody else. Let's see if we get any sound. Now, it looks like there should be some sound, but nothing's making a noise, is it? Okay. So, we got everything but sound. And you remember them two orange wires that I didn't hook up? Well, maybe they need to be hooked up to something. And that's playing, you see that? It's playing, it just ain't playing. So, maybe I'll unhook the green wire from the purple wire, or whatever it is, and hook the orange wire to it instead. See what happens with that. So, I can take this loose. Not the easiest way. Let me cut this off if I can. This power right there. Just breaking this plug right here is the easiest way to take it loose. I don't mean break it, but you know what I mean. Take it, undo it. Undo this one right here. So, and then I'll remember I had that orange wire that was connected to nothing. Maybe I'll connect it to something. Maybe I'll connect it to the purple wire, which is over here. Orange wire connected to the purple wire. We'll unconnect the wire that's connected to. We'll see. It'll either work or it won't, right? It'll be easier to take these loose again, too. We'll go back to the workbench for that.